Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Keraton Surakarta Hanuman, one of the famous cultural destinations in Solo. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Natalie and I will be your tour guide today. Before we start, let me give you some information about Keraton Surakarta. Keraton Surakarta was built in 1745 and became the place of the royal family in Solo. Until today, this keraton is still used for traditional ceremonies and cultural activities. Keraton Surakarta is an important place because it keeps Japanese culture and history alive. Many people come here to learn about traditional Japanese life and heritage. One of the unique things about Keraton Surakarta is traditional Japanese architecture and historical atmosphere. The place has beautiful ornaments, large pendopo buildings, and many cultural collections from the royal family. Visitors can explore the place area, take photos, watch traditional performance, and learn about Japanese culture and history. Some tourists also enjoy seeing gamelan instruments, traditional costumes, and historical objects inside the Keraton Museum. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have finished our tour, I'd like to apologize and then thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this tour and learned something new about Keraton Surakarta. Let's visit Keraton Surakarta and learn about Japanese culture together. See you next tour!